Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See? Welcome back to Kayak Adventures. We are out at Devil's Lake today. Got the kayak, I got the straps off, still gotta get set up. And if we're looking rough today, it's because we're feeling rough today. I didn't get much sleep last night, but I got enough caffeine in me to kill a small horse. So, should be a fun one. It's gonna be windy again today. Not gonna do the trolling motor, but I am gonna have the depth finder. Anyways, we're gonna get everything set up, get ready to go, and I'll see you out there. Ew! Okay, we are out at Devil's Kitchen. I got 3 rods now. I got a jig, got the Texas rig worm on again, and then I got a buzzbait on as well. I got the buzzbait on because I saw some stuff hitting the top. I was just gonna kind of come down around here and then go down around there as well. 60-degree water again, and it should be a little calmer back here, so. Well, maybe I'll just head to the back first and then we'll kind of get pushed out. So it's gonna be an interesting day. We just got rain, so I'll be back. But I've been seeing a few. I saw 2 sitting on a hump, and then I saw 1 sitting at 10, just on flat bottom. But since it just rained, I'm looking for anywhere where water will run in. Yeah, I think they're gonna be sitting out, or at least from what I've seen, sitting out a little deeper. But it looks like all that black down there, I think that's all grass down there. Yeah, there's a fish sitting at 5, sitting on top of the grass. There's another one at 4. There's another one at 4. Fish I've been seeing have been in that 4 to 10 foot range. So maybe I need to go moving bait, like a little swim jig, or I can do a swim bait with the underspin on it too. Oh, that's what I meant to get. I'm gonna get a spinner. I think right before I turned it on, I saw something hit over there. Need to make sure I reel this thing very slow. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like. Got a little buddy on the end of it. A little swim bait. There's a fish sitting at 6. So they're back in this cove. Oh, got one. Got one. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, spinnerbait. Fighting so hard. Oh. Oh. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh my. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Oh my. And we got the scale. And we got the scale. First fish on Devil's Lake. We got 2.8 on the dot. Wow. That is a beautiful fish. Absolute beauty. On the spinner. Thanks for playing, bud. You ready? A 1 and a 2 and a you. Bye-bye. That put up a great fight. Glad we brought the scale out. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I'm talking about. One thing you can do, if you wear a fanny pack when you kayak, you can put the paddle underneath your fanny pack. Holds onto the paddle for you. Oh, there's one. There's another one. Little one. I think I saw him swimming up on the surface too. Oop, oop. Get in the boat. Duh, you weren't even hooked. I think Buddy's been caught recently too. Little fella. I'll take him though. There he is. You ready? A 1 and a 2 and a you. Bye-bye. 2 fish, Devil's Lake. And we haven't even, we dropped in right over there. Yeah, I don't know if I said I chose this rod because I can throw really light lures with it pretty far. Since I figured, this spinnerbait is a little smaller than most. And so, here here's a spinnerbait. Little Guggen Squad. white and chartreuse. I would think they'd be all over these docks too, but thinking didn't get me very far yesterday. Just crushed them right up there. See, they're hitting topwater. I could throw a frog on. That was right up on the bank though. I don't know if I can reach. See if he'll come out for it. Because what we don't want to do is that. See, this is where I want to have topwater on. Like have a spook. We got one. Buddy hit that. Very weird. Little guy. Little guy. Thanks for playing. You ready? A 1 and a 2. Ew. There's a bunch of little guys sitting right there. I might move on. I'll be back. I decide I'm just gonna keep you guys on until this battery dies. And once this one dies, we'll reconsider. I'm telling you, I need to get a frog on. Since I've seen a few of them hit up really close, it would be some fun. So we got the frog on. And with the clouds being blocking the sun pretty well, that's why I would think topwater would actually be pretty decent. That's why I went with the buzzbait first. Okay, so the other camera just died. And of course, right when I throw it up into the grass, we got a frogfish. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Of course we got a frogfish, right as the camera died. So, I had to turn you guys on real quick. To make sure we document this. Little frogfish. Thanks for playing. Ready? Ew! I mean, hit it immediately. No. You can try the dangle trick. Oh! Did you see that? Got it. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? The dangle trick. Gosh, dang it. The dangle trick is when it gets stuck up on a tree, you just kind of plop it up and down. I bet you that stuff right up in there. I would have liked to get it a little farther, but... Oh! Oh! He had the legs. And it's been a while since I've gotten a frogfish, too. That was probably my first one in years. Okay, we're moving on. Oh, save you. I'll save you too. Alright, well, I just saw some stuff hitting up over there. Oh! He got it. Little guy. See? Came out and got the freaking frog. Ay! Hold on. That's not good. There's a little buddy that came out and got it. There he is. Very dark. Alright, thanks for playing. A 1 and a 2 and a U. See ya. Came out a little farther for it too, didn't he? Yeah, not crazy far, but a little further. Yeah, and with this style of frog, you want the walk the dog action like that. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there are popper style frogs too that are good. I like this style a little more. Okay, alright, I'm gonna save you guys. I'll be back. I've been thinking, I can't justify keeping you guys off. See? That's why. That's why. Yeah, that's a better one. Oh yeah, it's a much better one. Oh, he's not hooked very well. No, he's not hooked very well. Not hooked very well. Ah! Duh! That just fell out of his freaking mouth. Yeah. I had a freaking feeling. Just had a feeling. Oh my. Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay. Just 2-pounder, but still. We'll take a 2-pounder on a frog. Take a 2-pounder on a frog all day. I'd get some light. There's the butte. Oh, my back's cramping. Okay. All right. Thanks for biting the frog, friend. Look at you. You ready? A 1 and a 2. Hey, you. Bye-bye. Could not justify not having you guys on. Freaking frog bite, guys. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk a frog bite? And I've been hearing more stuff hit over there. It is important with a frog that you make sure and wait. Some of the other topwaters you can get away with not waiting too long. With a frog, gotta make sure they have that thing. Was he right on the edge of that shade line too? That would make a lot of sense if he was right on the edge of that shade line. I actually almost didn't come out here today. I almost went back to little grassy. Oh no! I think I need to bring it out just a touch. I don't know if you guys can see that little clearing. Ah, that's too far. It's right to the left of that. That's where I was trying to get. Oh! Oh! Maybe not. Think we gave these guys enough of a break? Oh! Missed it! I'm calling fish. He didn't have it. No! No, he came off. Okay, so I ran out of batteries. This is the last battery, and this is the other camera. So I think what we may do is, since we're near the car, we'll go charge the batteries at the car, and then come back out. We got blown up immediately in this stuff. Oh, see? Oh, we're not waiting long enough. Oh, oh. See if we can get Buddy. Oh, there he is. Did you see him come out and get that? Oh, there he goes. Bro went airborne. I thought he was a lot bigger than that too, to be honest with you. Just the way he hit it made me think he was bigger. There's gotta be one in this stuff. Oh, see? Oh, how'd he miss? How'd he miss, dum-dum? I wanted it to the right. To the right, to the right. All the fish you see are hitting to the right. See how beautiful it is, though? Come on. Oh. Ah, little fella. We're back, y'all. But yeah, we're just going with the single cam because I didn't get all the batteries fully charged. We'll figure something out to get better at that. It's better. You see this angle anyways, so you can see blow-ups. So let's see if they want the crawdad. The daddy of the craw. That's a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, that's a fish. Hey. You want to get some more out before we get you undone? You seem like an angry fellow. How are you hooked? Come. Ugh. Oh, you weren't hooked. That was a pressure catch. Not a biggin'. Like I said, even if they're dinker-doos, we'll take them. Longfellow. Sure is a Longfellow. Thanks for playing. You ready? A 1 and a 2. Eee. Back to the depths. But I bet you money that's the fish we saw sitting down there. We've caught him on a frog, spinnerbait, and now a crawdad. Mystery tackle box, you gotta sign me, bro. I wish we could explore these lakes more. I'd love to spend like a week at a time for each, but realistically we have a goal and we got a place we want to get to, so we gotta make that happen. Oh. 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 Did you see that? I didn't see it till late. Fish came out and got that. That's gonna be it for today. Wish we could have ended it a little better, but I wish we could have explored some more.